Have you ever wondered why some people quietly build wealth, while others stay stuck, living paycheck to paycheck? It's not always about earning more, or catching some lucky break. The truth is, wealth is built in the quiet, in habits that feel too small to matter, in choices no one sees, the ones you repeat day after day without applause or recognition. In today's video, I'll share 13 simple, almost invisible habits that quietly grew my money, and could do the same for you. Welcome to Smart Habits, where we talk about the small changes that can make a big difference. If you're trying to build better habits, stay consistent, or just live a little more intentionally, you're in the right place. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and give this video a like so you don't miss future content on building smarter habits. Building wealth isn't about being born into money. It's not just for the lucky, the privileged, or the bold risk takers. It's built, one quiet decision at a time. No big wins, no sudden jackpot, just small, steady steps that added up over time. Today I'll walk you through 13 habits that helped me go from financially scattered to surprisingly stable. They're not flashy, they're not trendy, but they work. Habit 1, created my own budget spreadsheet. I stopped relying on apps that didn't speak my language, so I opened a blank spreadsheet and made something simple. Every month, I list what's coming in and what must go out: rent, food, transport. Then I add the flexible stuff, the maybe expenses, such as coffee takeout, snacks, unplanned spending. It's not perfect. I update when I remember. But this habit gave me clarity. It turned money from something that stressed me to something I could manage, one line at a time. Habit 2, paid myself first. Before rent, before food, before bills. I paid myself first. Even when I earned just $160 a month, I'd move 30% to savings. It wasn't always easy. Sometimes it meant saying no to things I wanted. But this habit built something deeper, self-trust. And over time, it built a cushion I could fall back on. Habit 3, automated everything. Once I built the habit, I stopped relying on willpower. I set up auto savings, auto bill payments, no more missed deadlines, no more excuses. It took the stress out of remembering and protected me from emotional spending. Automation gave me peace and kept me consistent. Habit 4, watched finance videos instead of mindless content. I used to scroll endlessly, reels, gossip, randomness. Then I made a small switch, one finance video a day. It didn't seem like much, until I started understanding compound interest, taxes, investment basics. The more I watched, the more confident I felt. It was free knowledge, and it changed the way I saw money. Habit 5, cooked at home more. Eating out all the time drained my wallet, and honestly made me feel worse after. So I started cooking at home. Not every day, but enough. I learned to prep simple meals that saved me money, and without even trying, my health got better too. Habit 6, planned every purchase. I started practicing the pause before I buy. Now, I follow the 24-hour rule. If I want something, I write it down and wait a day. Most times, I realize I don't actually need it. That one habit, it saved me hundreds and helped me break free from emotional spending. Habit 7, surrounded myself with money-conscious people. I didn't have wealthy mentors or financial gurus around me, but I wasn't alone. A few of my friends were also trying to do better, save more, waste less. We talked about our small wins and money mistakes without shame. Just having people who got it, that made a real difference. Habit 8, practice daily gratitude. I didn't keep a gratitude journal, but sometimes, when life felt overwhelming, I'd pause and just reflect. Maybe it was a plate of warm rice and vegetable sauce, eaten in peace with good health. Or the rent being paid somehow, even when the maths didn't add up. Maybe it was the strength to get out of bed after a hard week. Or just the simple fact that I'm still here, alive, when some of my mates aren't. That quiet gratitude reminded me, I don't need to chase more to feel like I matter. I already have reasons to be thankful. I just need to notice them. Habit 9, canceled unused subscriptions. Netflix, cloud storage, that random app I forgot I even signed up for. I went through my bank statements and cut the fluff. It felt small at first, But that $5 here, $15 there, it added up. Before I knew it, I was saving over $100 every month. Habit 10 turned my skill into something bigger. I didn't plan to start a business. I just began teaching a few neighbors and friends how to use Microsoft Word, Excel, Corel Draw. It was simple, really, just helping people who weren't computer literate. But word spread. Soon, more people came. I got a small place, found someone to help with the training. Before long, it expanded into providing document services, typing, printing, scanning, even handling jobs for small companies. What started as helping friends became something much bigger. It gave me income and a sense of purpose I never expected. Habit 11 protected my time and energy. I stopped showing up just to prove I was fun. I said no, even when I felt guilty. I stayed in when I needed rest. It wasn't always easy, but protecting my peace, that helped my mind. And my wallet too. Habit 12, practice delayed gratification. Impulse wants are loud, but I started asking myself, do I want this now or peace later? I saved for the laptop, waited for the trip. And because I waited, I didn't go into debt. Discipline gave me freedom, slowly but surely. Habit 13, reviewed my finances monthly. Once a month, I sat down to ask myself, what did I earn, spend, save, invest? I made adjustments. I celebrated progress. That simple ritual, it made me feel like the CEO of my own life, not just a passenger. So now that you've heard these 13 habits, pause for a moment. Which one spoke to you the most? Which habit do you wish you had started sooner? And what's holding you back from starting just one today? Share your thoughts in the comments. I would genuinely love to hear your story. If this video gave you a new way to think about wealth, hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more smart habit content. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start small, stay consistent, and remember, wealth isn't built in noise, it's built in quiet discipline. Until next time, stay mindful, stay focused, and keep building the life you deserve.